How to make omega-3 rich miso soup. Hi, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai diet and Ikigai biohacking. Alright, so in the last video, I shared with you how to make vegan miso soup. And that was a way of making miso soup using kombu as dashi. Kombu is a seaweed, and therefore you don't need to use a fish-based dashi to make miso soup. But today, I will share with you how to make miso soup using fish-based dashi. Yeah, and today I will use niboshi, which is a small sardine, and niboshi is one of the most popular dashi used. The other one is katsuobushi too, yeah. And I like to use niboshi because it's a small sardine. It's a kind of fish that I like to eat a lot because, you know, I told you about the Ichibutsu Zentai Shoku. The concept of Ichibutsu Zentai Shoku is to eat food as a whole. So when you want to eat fish, you want to eat the whole fish. So it's better to choose a small fish because you can eat it as a whole instead of eating a part of a big fish. Yeah, right. And then niboshi is one of the smallest fish we can get in Japan, and usually a small fish is safer as well. Yeah, so in that sense, it is a great source of omega-3 fatty acid called DPA and EPA. Right. Okay, so by using niboshi as dashi, you can turn your miso soup to be omega-3 rich soup. Alright, so first of all, you want to soak wakame, yeah? So this is the dried wakame, and you put the wakame into miso soup bowl. So you put wakame into miso soup bowl, then you pour water. Yeah, to soak wakame for about 20 minutes. And if you do that at the beginning of making the soup, then by the time you finish making the soup, wakame is ready. Right. Okay, and then you want to start boiling water, so I pour water into the pan. Then I turn the gas on. And then you can kind of put some hard vegetables already, such as daikon, and tamanegi, which is onions. And then put the lid on. Yeah, the last time I didn't put vegetables until the water was boiled. But usually root vegetables, like some of the hard vegetables, you can put at the beginning. You know, when it is water, yeah, before boiling it. But I mean, either way, it's okay, really. Yeah. Then we just need to wait till the water is boiled. Alright, so now the water is boiled. So what I do is, I'm going to put niboshi now. So we have this niboshi. I put niboshi into some kind of strainer like this, and then put it in the soup. And then yeah, you want to start putting some other vegetables, so I put broccoli and shiitake, but under niboshi. And then you can maybe put the lid back on. Yeah, so after a while, you can take niboshi out. So you can put niboshi into another bowl. And then kind of mixing vegetables. Finally, you can put some hakusai, Chinese cabbage. And put the lid back on. And when all vegetables are cooked, you can put wakame, yeah, with the soaked water. And then you wait until the water to come back to boil. Okay, so now the water came back to boil, so then you can turn off the gas. Yes, you want to turn off the gas before you put the miso in, because you don't want to boil miso. And then, for this much water, I put one kind of a ladle full of miso. And then I sort of mix miso with the hot water on the ladle very slowly, little by little, and then kind of let the kind of miso sort of soup to go into the other water, and then you kind of put it deep, then more hot water comes in, and then the miso can melt in the hot water. And you stir miso on the ladle to gently mix miso into the hot water. And then you can mix the soup together. Yeah, you can mix the vegetables in the soup. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, the miso soup is ready, so you can put the lid back on. And I usually leave it for about 1 minute before serving miso soup to the miso soup bowl. Alright, so now I can serve miso soup to the bowl. Yeah, just like this. Good, isn't it? Yeah, right. And then usually you can have miso soup with rice and some pickled and so on. And I eat fermented brown rice. Yeah, right. And then usually when I use niboshi as dashi, I eat them afterwards. Most people throw them away. They only use niboshi for dashi, but in my case, I eat them. I just put some soy sauce and then eat niboshi as well. Alright, so I'll try it. Smells good. Very good. Yeah. Then I'm gonna eat some niboshi too. Hinonazuke, that's a local radish in Hino town. It's very good. Right. That's it. That's how you make omega-3 rich miso soup. Okay. So thank you for watching. Again, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai diet and Ikigai biohacking. If you like this video, please give me your thumb up and subscribe to my channel. And please leave your comment. Yeah, have you made miso soup? And how do you make one if you have? Yeah, right. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Live with your Ikigai!